How to use Walmart app to find items in store. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Walmart application in your mobile device, or you can go ahead and open any browser in your mobile device, and then in the search bar simply search for walmart.com. Once you search for it, all you have to do is simply log in to your Walmart account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on the search icon, and you want to go ahead and search for the item you would like. For example, let's say I would like to search for graduation cards. And once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll these options. Scroll it, then tap on in-store. And once the in-store option is checked, the app will now show which items are available at selected Walmart location. From there, you can see the stock status. If you don't see the in-store toggle, make sure your location permissions are enabled and your store is set to correctly in the app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.